I manage a not-for-profit business, and my issue is managing my time. The critical few are the most important in any business, and I would be interested in learning how to maximize my return critical few against the time that I need to spend to cultivate new people. Eventually your base travels on and you have to replace them. I'm concerned with how do I apportion my time so that I give the critical few the attention they need and I still have avenues to develop new business.